Pakistan is concerned, in Balochistan, there has been a big claim that has now been made on part of Balochistan fighters. What has now been said that at least 10 Pakistani soldiers, including a major, that has now been killed in twin attacks by the BLF, which is Balochistan Liberation Front, in Kalat in Jhau as well. As far as this is a significant escalation of violence in Balochistan, where the Balochistan Liberation Front has now claimed responsibility for 2 deadly attacks on Pakistani security forces. What they claim that they have killed 10 of the military personnel, including a serving major. According to a statement issued by the BLF, they have been saying that the first attack happened on the 15th of July on the Quetta-Karachi highway, and the BLF operatives reportedly used remote-controlled improvised explosive device to target a Pakistani military vehicle, leading to its complete destruction. What is being said in this particular attack, 4 personnel were killed in the explosion, while 2 others sustained injuries. The second attack, which is said to be on a complex operation that unfolded on the 16th of July, and according to the intel that was gathered by the BLF, they have been claiming that its fighters ambushed Pakistani troops attempting to pursue a Russian vehicle, allegedly that was seized by the group. Now, what is being said, during the second attack, 6 personnel, including a serving major from Muzaffarabad, was killed, and now what is being said that the BLF has claimed that 3 soldiers on motorcycles were also eliminated in the initial strike, while sniper teams engaged in remaining convoy members, forcing a retreat. And the BLF, meanwhile, has also alleged that in response to the ambush, Pakistani forces may have carried out retaliatory operations, including what they say fake encounters as a practice the group accuses the military of using in the past to target unarmed civilians or forcibly disappearing Baloch individuals. However, the Pakistani military has not yet officially confirmed the number of casualties there provided by the BLF, and claimed that the BLF fighters were killed in clashes. The BLF, which is a banned separative organization, has reiterated in its statement that attacks on Pakistani forces will continue, as what it terms, until there has been complete withdrawal of the army from Balochistan. Well, that is now being claimed as far as the BLF is concerned, killing 10 Pakistani soldiers, including a serving major. As far as these deadly strikes, twin strikes that has now been reported, one in Kalat and the other operation carried out by the BLF fighters in Jhau, where there has been improvised explosive devices, what is being said, that were used in the ambush to target Pakistani forces, as separate strikes that was carried out, as the BLF vowed that they will continue to attack the Pakistani forces, the army, till the time that they withdraw the forces from Balochistan.